this video, we look at what to do when you've received money from a customer upfront, before you've even raised a sales invoice. In Xero, you can record a prepayment or money received in advance. Let's take a look. When a customer pays you money upfront, this is a prepayment. Here we've received a 25% deposit for work we'll be doing next month. Because the work hasn't been done, we haven't yet raised a sales invoice, so we can't match the money received to an existing Xero transaction. Instead, I'll create a prepayment transaction. On the Create tab, click the Add Details button. The money was received as a prepayment. Allocate this to the Revenue Received in Advance account, and click Save Transaction. You've now created a prepayment transaction which matches the bank statement. Click Reconcile, or scroll up and click OK. And that's it, how to deal with money received upfront from a customer. Check out some of my other videos to learn more about reconciling your bank account with Xero.